Welcome, engineers. This polar moment interactive calculator solves critical shaft design problems by computing polar moments of inertia, torsional stresses, and angles of twist for various cross-sections under torque loading. Let's explore the inputs. The calculation mode drop-down offers 6 options: solid circular section, calculate J, hollow circular section, calculate J, calculate maximum torsional stress, calculate angle of twist, required diameter from torque, and rectangular section approximation. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Maximum Torsional Stress. The calculator displays relevant input fields based on your selection. For torsional stress calculations, you'll see outer diameter in millimeters, applied torque in Newton meters, and for hollow sections, inner diameter in millimeters. Additional fields include shaft length in meters, shear modulus G in gigapascals, allowable stress in megapascals, and for rectangular sections, width and height in millimeters. Let's work through an example. I'm analyzing a hollow steel driveshaft with outer diameter 50 millimeters, inner diameter 40 millimeters, subjected to applied torque of 200 Newton meters. After clicking Calculate Results, the calculator returns a maximum torsional stress of 81.5 megapascals and shows the polar moment of inertia is 245,437 millimeters to the 4th power. These outputs tell us the peak shear stress at the outer surface and the shaft's resistance to torsional deformation. Compare the calculated stress against your material's allowable stress to ensure adequate safety factor. One critical insight: hollow shafts provide excellent strength-to-weight ratios. A shaft with 80% outer diameter as inner diameter retains about 60% of solid shaft strength while weighing only 36% as much. Find the link in the description below.